Hi, students, let's get started with the subject English, Unit 5, Brave Hearts, Chapter 5.3 Rani Abbakka. Hirya Abbakka, the Queen of Ullal, a small principality on the west coast of Karnataka, was on her deathbed years ago. Ullal had been captured by the Portuguese and had become a vassal. They were required to pay it a tribute to the colonial power. Her daughter and successor, Abbakka Devi, was by her side. Hirya Abbakka, on bed Abbakka. I lie here helpless, while the Portuguese. Abbakka Devi, standing beside her, Hosh, mother. You must not tire yourself with such thoughts. I am here, and I will not rest while I live. I have driven them out of the west coast. The next year, Abbakka Devi was crowned Queen of Ullal. Abbakka Devi, addressing her court, I need your wholehearted cooperation to make Ullal stronger, secure, free. Citizens, we are with you, Your Majesty. In background, victory to Rani Abbakka Devi. After the coronation, Abbakka spoke to her husband, Veera Narasimha, the king of Bangadi, about her future plans. Abbakka, I will stop paying tribute to the Portuguese. I will not sell them spices and cloth either. Veera Narasimha, sitting, isn't that a rather rash decision? Veera Narasimha, close up and a dangerous one, for me. The Portuguese might think that I am in league with her, and Bangadi too may have to face their wrong. I must make her change her mind. Abbakka, firmly, you may be afraid of the Portuguese, but I refuse to be cowed by them. Abbakka walks away. Soldier, stop her. Seize her. Narration, but such was the spell cast by the brave queen, not a soldier stirred. They decided to follow their brave leader. Abbakka addresses a meeting of Bhaktas. Abbakka, if we unite and fight, we could drive the Portuguese out of our land. Man 1, impossible. We are no match for them. Man 2, I would advise you not to provoke them. Narration, their reactions only serve to strengthen Abbakka's resolve. Abbakka to herself, Abbakka, thinking, I will have to fight the Portuguese alone. For fight them I will, single-handed, if need be. Portuguese envoy arrives. Portuguese envoy, Agana has sent me to remind you that the annual tribute from Ullal is long overdue. And Abbakka, we are a sovereign country. We don't pay tribute to Portugal, and we don't take orders from the Portuguese. Portuguese officer, Your Majesty, you will regret your stand. Abbakka ordered merchant ships to be built, and in alliance with the Zamorin of Kozhikode, she defeated the Portuguese and established a hugely profitable trading relation with Arabia. Farewell at the port, Arab trader. Visit us again, brother. Sailor, God willing, we will. Abbakka watching the sea. Abbakka, thinking, mother, this is the beginning. And I promise you that the end will soon follow. All of the ships were apprehended on their return by the Portuguese navy. They fought bravely and all the ships returned except Abbakka's commanders. This deeply angered the queen. Abbakka speaks to her envoy, Abbakka, I will make them pay for this. Envoy, Your Majesty, our commander kept them busy while we escaped. His ship must have been captured by the enemy. Abbakka sent an envoy to Mangalore, the Portuguese base. Portuguese replied with attack. The Portuguese replied, however, by attacking. Abbakka stood watching as the cannons boomed from across the river. Abbakka, thinking, so the Portuguese have replied, Mother, bless me, the time to avenge your defeat has come. Abbakka retaliates. Abbakka in turn unleashed her forces and they attacked the Portuguese fort. Portuguese commander speaking. Portuguese commander, wounded, help will get here soon. And we would yet have the last laugh. Celebration, soldier supporter, victory to Abbakka. When Ribeiro brought the news of the fall of Fort Mangalore, the Portuguese governor of Goa reacted sharply. Portuguese governor, what? A mere woman defeating the mighty Portuguese? You have made us the laughing stock of the local rulers. The Portuguese rallied their forces to attack Ullal. The dauntless Abbakka addressed her men. Abbakka, my brave soldiers, this shall be the decisive war. Let us fight with all our might and defeat the Portuguese once and for all. Crowd, victory to Rani Abbakka. For 4 days the battle raged, but the forces of Ullal were enough. The Portuguese beat a hasty retreat in defeat, never to trouble Ullal again. Abbakka, looking at the battlefield, Mother, your dream has come true. Ullal is free. Later, Abbakka helped Venkatappa Nayak, the king of Keladi, to take the fort of Mangalore. The Portuguese were eventually completely driven out of Mangalore by Shivappa Nayak, the greatest of the kings who ruled Keladi. Thanks for watching.